Hey, how's it going? I am here to tell you about something amazing and spectacular. Today, I had an idea. That idea was to create a program unlike any program out there in existence today. Everywhere you look, you'll see MOOCs, or which are massive online courses, or video tutorials, but very rarely do you hear about the success stories that come with those programs, because there are none in the majority of cases, because you might go through that and build something that already exists, but they don't teach you how to do something with it. I used to build a lot of websites for small businesses, and I've worked with websites and web applications for large corporations as well as small corporations. I started off in hardware, moved to software, and then moved into database development. And by database development, I mean that deals with analytics and like financial stuff. So I have a pretty good idea, more so than the average coder out there that builds videos, on what the exact existing technologies are out there, as well as how to use them to generate income. And that's what I want this program to be. I want to work with a group of people, a group of privileged people, build and teach them to become amazing programmers that can create their own jobs and income streams, while at the same time, if they so choose, get a job and do spectacular at it. By doing so, not only will my good karma increase, but I feel that I'll make new friends. So you might be asking yourself right now, why should I learn from this guy when I can go to all the other channels? Sure, he might have gone through all that, but I'm a great independent learner. But let me tell you this, because I've had a lot of great mentors in my life. And I've also tried to take that path before. And what I've found is that when you try to learn things on your own, you're going to recreate the mistakes and have exponentially more struggle than if you are to get guidance from someone that has already walked down that path before and made those mistakes before, because they'll help deter you from those paths. So by working with me, not only am I going to help educate you and train you to be amazing and self-sufficient at what you're trained in, but I will help you get a job. I will make sure that you're good enough to get jobs after that job if you so choose to go to another company, or create your own job. And there you go. So yeah, I've been in this industry for over 15 years. I've also completed several of the existing courses, like I've completed several courses on Pluralsight, Coursera, Udemy, what else? InfoSec, Coding Dojo. I've gone through it all, and I've also programmed and built sites using WordPress. I've used Wix. I was coding ever since I was 8 and building websites. And what I found in a lot of cases is that people don't quite understand the power of a simple website, and they downplay its value because they don't know how to use it in order to actually get value back from it. So by joining my team and helping me help you, I guarantee you will succeed as long as you put in the work. Outside of coding, I like to volunteer for nonprofit organizations, as well as work out. I like kickboxing and boxing, as well as rock climbing and traveling and helping others. I also write and read quite a bit. I've written a couple of books. You could probably find it if you look online or do a quick Google search on me. But just to say, to point out the importance of this and the change that's coming in the world, and why I think you should work with me is because 200 years ago, less than 14% of the population could read or write. And now over 85% can do it, or 86% even. I think in 200 years, the same thing is going to apply to code. So right now, not many people can code, but that amount of people is exponentially increasing. And the demand for coders that know what they're doing is growing exponentially, because there are a lot of coders that can write a line of code, but they can't really do anything with it. But to be able to manifest your thoughts into things is a skill that I want to teach you. So yeah, work with me, and hopefully I'll see you at the next video. Later.